Hello guys, this is Barry from Suncenter. Today I am going to introduce this customized computer control hydraulic test bench. As you can see the panel, this is our computer screen, and this is a dry air gauge, dry air regulator, and this is the dry air flow rate regulator, and this is the emergency stop button, and this is a high pressure outlet gauge, and this is our test chamber. Then we can connect our test object here. This is the bubble observation port. Okay, now I'm going to introduce our test system. As you can see, we have two test models for your choice. The first one is the pressure keeping and burst test model. In this model, we can make 10 stage pressure tests from low to high pressure. And then here we can set up our test parameters. For example, I can set the low pressure at the first stage, and I can increase the pressure at the second stage, the third stage, the fourth stage, and then to the 10th stage. Okay, now I am going to make a pressure keeping and burst test. I will make a 3-stage test, and then we can see the pressure curve here, and then we can see the test pressure and the test time here. Before the test, I would like to introduce these buttons. The first button is the test number count reset to 0, and the second is the air bubble exhaust button, and this is the test stop button, and this is the manual pressure unloading button. Okay, now I will make a 3-stage pressure test. Then we can open the start button. Now this is the first stage test. You can see the pressure here and the time here. And now it's the second stage pressure test. And now it's the third stage pressure test. When you finish the third stage pressure test, the pressure will increase to the maximum and then burst the object. As you can see, the pressure is increasing. It's increasing to the maximum pressure the pump can output. So then it will burst the test object. Okay, now I will introduce the other test model of this test bench, the pulse test. Then we can select the pulse test here, and then we can set the maximum pressure of the pulse test here, and set the minimal pulse test pressure here. This is the time, the maximum pressure keeping time, and this is the minimal pressure keeping time. And here we can set the test frequency here, like we need 100, 200, 300 times pulse test. Okay, so then we can see the pulse pressure curve here. Okay, before the pulse test, we need to open the air exhaust button to exhaust the air inside the tube. And then count reset to 0. Then we can open the pulse test. You can see the pressure curve here. It's making the pulse test right now. You can see the pressure from 0 to the maximum and then from maximum to 0. When the test frequency reach to our settings, then we will stop the testing. Then the test has finished.